Low-key, we're lost. We don't know where we are. I think someone just broke their ankle down there. Oh, they're really crossing that. Oh, goddamn. All right, this was well worth it. All right, we're going on the hike. This is the entrance, apparently. We'll see how this goes. Oh, wow, you guys see this. Whoa, this is cool. Check this out. We gotta check in real quick to our flight before we get lost.
And can't.
Yeah, we will be good. We're in the bamboo forest right now. I'm assuming we just follow this. I don't know. But it's pretty muddy here.
Did we even take the first left yet?
No, there's a fork in the road.
Oh, okay.
And then we take the first left. This is cool. So we met some people that were on the way back, and they said basically take the first left at the fork. And I think this is the first left. I hope. This looks like a left or right type beat. That looks like a gate, so there's no way we can go there. That looks promising. So we'll start over there. And yeah, we'll update once we get to something cool. But this is the view right now. So we found the area. It's pretty wild. We took the left. And then I saw somebody that just walked past us, and they were like, we didn't make it. And I was like, damn. But we will. We will. Look how beautiful this is.
Does it look good?
Yeah, hold on. Nice. Because then people would be like, damn, you hiked in the rain with a little tank top? Not me. It's really muddy though. I hear some people. So I think we're going the right way. This is it. There's only one way to go from here. No, I don't see any ribbons, but I see people, so extremely muddy. Oh, oh, oh. Goddamn. Alright. This is one of the little areas here that is like what they're known for. Watch your step. Oh yeah, look at that. Get the water in the back. Zoom out.
It is.
We're in a real jungle right now. You know what's crazy? So far I haven't seen any pink ribbons.
You guide the way.
Alright. It all kind of comes together, so come here. I'm doing guided tours now. Need help?
Sorry.
It's all good. This is like a real Hawaiian rainforest. Good thing is we're not alone. If we were alone, that'd be a little sketch. It's getting kind of thick, and low-key we're lost. We don't know where we are. I haven't seen a single soul. We've been sleeping here for about 3 days. I ran out of all of our little macadamia nuts to eat. I literally slept right there last night. And I've been eating these little mushrooms. I don't know how good that is for me, but we'll see. I can hear the water. This is a hike right here. This is slippery, watch out. Let me get to a good spot to help you. Under that stuff right there. Alright, now we got some sort of high ground, and then look at that. It's a nice little river. Nice little stream. I don't know if there might have been a better way up there. All right, come back up here then. Come here.
Ow.
Come here. I got you. I got you. Take my hand, boy. All right, let's go. Let's go. Ain't nothing wrong with a little river crossing. We are going to go
I think they went this way.
this way. Yeah, that's fresh. That's fresh right there. I hear a dog or a monkey or something. Oh, there is a dog here. There is a dog. There's a dog. I think someone just broke their ankle down there.
Are we going this way?
Yeah,
Which way?
you lead the way. You got this. I have faith in you. Straight.
I know, but... Ow.
Logs.
You go.
All right, you hold the camera then. Like that. I swear I'm hearing like monkeys or birds or something. Good thing I got the New Balances on. Yes, sir. What you got going on? Oh, you got the New Balance. Got the New Balance brothers in the building. I haven't had water in like 3 days, but I found this stream, so I guess I'm gonna drink it.
There's a way cooler bigger thing up there.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, come on, babe.
Okay. I'm so thirsty. So thirsty. I gotta get this water in me. Hold on. Hawaiian river water. Ah. Oh yeah. I could feel the giardia and the bugs, mosquito larvae. It's good stuff. Oh, they're really crossing that. Oh goddamn. All right. There's no other way, huh? They really had to cross it. Oh god. Yeah, I think the best thing to do is take your shoes off.
What?
Oh yeah.
No.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna cross. I think the best part is to go straight over. No, they went in, but all right. Woo! Yeah. Oh, that was easy. That was easy. It's not even slippery. Come here. You got this. Give me your hand. Nice. Yeah.
Then where?
I stepped on that rock.
I don't think my legs are long enough.
Go to that one. Nice. Okay. But from here, where do we go? I'm gonna go check. I think I just saw someone right there. I'm gonna go cross this real quick.
Oh, someone is from over there.
From over there? Where? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Up the river? Okay, you stay here. I'm gonna cross and then I'm gonna look. Those people are the ones in the first river. We should go back up and just see where they go. Because I don't know. That's definitely not the right way. This is blocked off. So let's just go back up real quick. All right, I'll see you in a second. Hold on. So we found our way. It's a little sketch. We got to cross all these rivers or these streams. We're thick into it right now. There's a ribbon over there, so we're gonna go over there. Wait for me. Go. Alright, so we found our way back. We went back to the original river cross section. And then I found some dudes and I was like, hey, where's this at? And he said, just go that way. So we're on the right path now. We was crossing all sorts of rivers, unnecessary, but it's all good. We made it back. We're en route. Should be like maybe 20-30 minutes left. And check this out. This is looking like what we're used to. We were bushwhacking. We were in the thick of it, crossing rivers, all sorts of stuff. So I think we'll be okay right here. I think we're about maybe like 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Now we have a fork in the road.
I think that way. You want to stay close to the water?
Close to the water? Alright. I don't know.
No.
Probably not. Probably go up and see. This is very, very confusing. It's low key. If the ribbons weren't there. Oh man. Good luck. That's just a colorful leaf. But this looks right though.
Yeah, this is good.
This looks right. This gotta be it. This looks right. You got this?
Iron.
Yeah. So, after being lost for like an hour, we finally got to where we think the waterfall is. Not this, but I'm pretty sure we got it right up there. So let's go. Oh yeah, we found it. That is sick. That took way too long. Wow. This was well worth it. Look at that, man.